Hi friends, today we are going to study decimal numbers. In decimal numbers, we are going to study a particular portions, the full operations of decimal numbers. Before going to the chapter, first we are going to study what is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction means a fraction with denominator 10, 100 or 1000 etc. is called a decimal fraction. This is decimal fraction. That means denominators are 10, 100 and 1000. Examples we can write like this: 2 by 10, 11 by 100 and 7 by 100 and 11 by 1000. Understood? So next we are going to study what is decimal numbers. If the numbers are written using a decimal point, then they are called decimal numbers. So this is decimal numbers. That means if the numbers are written using a decimal point. Did you know what is decimal point? So like that, example 0.2. This is the decimal point. Okay. And next one is 0.007. This is the decimal point. Then we can write 1.41. So here this is the whole number part. Then this the middle one is the decimal point. Understood? In this way we are representing the decimal numbers. So next we are going to study addition of decimal numbers. So addition of decimal numbers is very easy. So we will do one exercise. Add 2.57, 3.08 and 5.7. So these three decimal numbers we should add. How to add decimal numbers? That is very easy. 2.57. Understood? Then the next number will come 3.08. You should do like this. 3 over here. Point should be here. And 08. Understood? The next one is 5.7. So that is 5 over here. Point exactly on the point place. And the 7. If you have any doubt, you should change it into 0. 5.7 and 5.70 is same only because we convert into like decimal. Then we put addition sign and then we add it. Okay. 8 plus 7, it will come 15. 1 carry over. Then 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. Again 1 carry over. Then don't forget to put the point, decimal point. 1 carry over is there. Then 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. So the final answer is 11.35. Understood? So in this way we are adding the decimal numbers. So it is very easy. Just you remember the decimal point, the exact place you should put and add the numbers. Okay. If it is not like decimal, you should change it to a like decimal and add it. Next we are going to study subtraction of decimal numbers. Okay. What we did in the addition, the same way we are doing subtraction also, but only thing is we should subtract it. So shall we write one question over here? Subtract 19.73 from 23.4. Okay, so from means we should write from should be come first while doing subtraction. So we should write 23.4. So it will we can change this one. So it will both the numbers will turn to like decimal. So we shall we put 0 over here. Okay, then subtract it 19.73. Understood? So shall we subtract 0 minus 3 is not possible. Borrow from the next number. Then we will get 7 over here. And the 3 minus 7 is also not possible. Borrow from the next number. Then we will get 6 over here. Then put decimal point on exact place. So next one is 2 over here. Then 2. Then borrow from the next number. It will come 12. 12 minus 9. We will get 3. Here 1 minus 1, 0. Understood? So next we are going to study multiplication of decimal numbers. So in this case, to multiply a decimal number by a whole number, we multiply like whole numbers ignoring the decimal point. Okay, we put decimal point in the product leaving from right. Understood? So here I am going to write one question. Multiply 4.95 by 32. Okay, in this case this is 4.95 by 32, but while doing multiplication of decimal numbers by whole numbers, you should remember ignore the decimal point and multiply like whole numbers. So ignoring the decimal place, then we will get 495 into 32. So while multiplying, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry over, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry over again, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Here 1's place is over. Then we are going to multiply the 10's place. Okay. So 3 5s are 15, 1 carry over, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28, 2 carry over, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. Understood? Then we add 0, 9 plus 5 14, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1 10 plus 8 18, 1 carry over, 1 plus 4 5. Then we got 15,840. So this is the product. So how we write the final answer? So shall we write over here 15,840 is the product. So here 2 places on the multiply, and then we should put the point from the right 1 2 place. So the final answer is 158.40. Understood? Next, it is very easy question. Then they will give 5.43 into 10. It is very easy how we will multiply. So what we will do? So 543 into 10 we will get 5430. Is it? So how many places are over here? 5.43 means 2 places. So we should move from 2 places. 1, 2. So the answer is 54.3. Understood? So the next question is 119,702 into 1000. So what we should do? Ignore the 197.02. Okay, into 1000. So ignore the decimal point and we should multiply. So we will get 19,702 and put 3 zeros. Okay. So how many decimal point over here? Here is 2 decimal point. So we have to move 3 places. 1 2 3. So 19,702 into 1000 means 19,702 and put 30. Is it? Is this a easy way? So after that you should look at the question. There is 2 decimal point over there. So you should put the decimal point from the right and it will come over here. So the final answer is 197020. Understood? So this one is wrong and this is the correct answer. First you should multiply it and then put 2 places from the right and put decimal point. Okay. Thank you.